affect the soundness and the volume of evidences that the House prosecution to the team will be presenting to the impeachment court.
My question is for Representative Adyong. No, so recently, I think yesterday and this morning, there has been a push sa Senate for Senator Sherwin Gatchalian to be Senate President. Ano po sa tingin niyo yung epekto nitong seemingly unstable Senate leadership when it comes to the impeachment?
Well, as far as we maintain institutional respect to our co-equal branch, that is an internal dynamics within the Senate. And I think in terms of the decision, collective decision, whether the senators will be changing the leadership, that is entirely up to the decision of the individual senators. Ang sa amin lang sa House prosecution team, being the spokesperson, we try to avoid or refrain from commenting anything that actually intervene into the internal dynamics of the Senate. So, ang pinaninindigan namin, whoever becomes the Senate President or whatever is the composition of the Senate in terms of key positions in the Senate will not affect the soundness and the volume of evidences that the House prosecution to the team will be presenting to the impeachment court.
And, sir, nung House impeachment proceedings, marami na tayo na-uncover, no? We have APLAC statements, lumabas, Pag-Ayaga, lumabas. Ang dami na natin bagong informasyon na nakuha from the House level. So, may mga bago pa bang aapangan yung publiko when it comes to impeachment trial? Ano ba yung bago i-present mo? Yung mga bago bang witnesses na iharap for the trial?
So what I can tell you is based on the possible witnesses, it would be still consistent with the testimonies and the documents that we have gathered. In the pre-trial, I believe, setting down the grand rules for the impeachment court to proceed. So part of that is actually identification of the potential witnesses with that markings of evidences. So, doon po makikita natin, no, kung ano yung magiging presentasyon ng House prosecution team, at the same time also the defense. So, in-anticipate natin that all evidences will be released and probably will be discussed in the pre-trial. No? But other possible witnesses, that would depend on the acceptance of the Senate acting as impeachment court, because, of course, kailangan din natin maging transparent to the court as a sign of respect to the court.
And last na lang po from my end. May mga senators po na nagsasabi na they think na itong impeachment trial will only last for like 2 months, a few months. Kayo po sa House, bilang spokesperson ng prosecution team, ano po yung foresight po ninyo, gaano po katagal o tatagal itong impeachment? Well,
as to the determination of how this impeachment trial will be concluded, that would entirely up to the determination of the Senate acting as an impeachment court, because they will be the one to set the dates and the days by which presentation of both sides of their testimonies of their witnesses and their evidences will be based on. No? So we entirely respect the decision of the court, but ang gusto lang natin ma-establish is that it will be given enough time for all the articles to be aired, to be explained to the public, because again, we are all stakeholders in this case, in this issue. No? Ang pinag-usapan natin dito, ang gaano katatag ang ating Constitution, gaano nagwi-withstand ang Constitution despite the political pressure, gaano nagwi-withstand ang Constitution despite the scare tactics that have been employed by different sectors in our society. This is actually a litmus test for us na masasabi natin that this democracy still works, and this is the perfect and democratic venue for both sides to air their complaint. So yun lang po yung pinaninindigan na substantial time to give both sides the proper, the adequate time for them to express and present their evidences. Because ultimately, the people wants to hear evidences, wants to see kung ano yung nilalaman nitong mga allegations na ito. At sinabi naman kanina po ng ating expert dito, ay mas kinalin po yung mga supporters ng Vice President, gusto din po nila makita yung mga ebidensya. So it only means to say na ang buong bayan ay invested talaga dito. So whether or not it would be shorter than 2 months or it will run longer than 2 months, that would depend on the impeachment court. And we will comply with whatever the impeachment court determines as to the timeline.
Sorry, sir, last na lang. Naniniwala po kayo sa House na prosecution panel na aabot talaga sa botohan itong impeachment trial at hindi ito ma-archive o hindi madederail yung process, hindi mag-resign si VP Sara during the time na umaandar ang trial?
Yun ang ina-anticipate natin because we are saying that the House 11 panel prosecution team is ready, more than ready, 150% ready to face the impeachment court and present their evidences. That is the premise where we're coming from. Now, as to the eventualities that might happen within the Senate, that is for us to something that we cannot bank our position on. Because that could, these are hypothetical circumstances that might happen or may not happen. So focus kami doon sa paano ipresenta sa publiko itong mga allegations na ito at saka itong mga articles of impeachment.
Kong Z, ako po si JC Cosico from TV5. Sir, yung thoughts nyo lang po doon sa panel, doon sa proposal on allowing online participation doon po sa impeachment trial and possible remote voting?
Una, I think nasa Senate, I don't know if they have already adopted or tried to amend the Senate rules of impeachment. Pero ang pagkakaalam po namin, physical dapat yung presence ng mga huwis. Even if the regular court proceedings, ang mga huwis ay nandiyan because it is indispensable to arrive into a fair judgment for a senator on the merits of the case without having to physically evaluate and examine the evidences and to direct cross-examine witnesses who would be in the witness stand. So, kailangan po, para sa amin, kailangan po talaga na physical yung presence ng ating mga huwis na senador. For us, for the public to be able to at least derive from their own conclusion the way they have seen the proceedings na fair at talagang tapat yung naging performance ng ating mga senador at huwis. Meron lang ako idadagdag, no? I think, naiintindihan naman natin that the impeachment process, the impeachment trial is a sacred duty, especially for the senators, to try and decide. So, napaka-importante ito. This is not just an ordinary legislative function where pwede kang mag-Zoom o pwede kang mag-remotely vote. No? Ito, pinag-uusapan dito, accountability ng isang impeachable officers. So, I think by on that basis alone, that this is a sacred duty not to be able to be present all the time is an indication that you are not taking seriously your sacred duty, which resonates negatively to the public.